Alright, welcome back to Photo Finish Garage. In this video we're going to tackle on how to do replace an air filter in a 2020 and up Mercedes-Benz Metris. First you'll start with releasing this connector for the sensor, and all that does is slide back. It just has a little safety, kind of like a safety locking device so it doesn't unclip itself. Get your flathead or a size 8 and back that off. Then you'll need a T25, and you got 3 bolts here that you'll back out, and now you'll be able to lift up and pull out your air box. And the replacement part number we're using at A65-109-00051. All done.